Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best smoothie blenders that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender. This blender packs a punch with its 700-watt peak power and patented wave action system, ensuring ultra-smooth blends every time. Whether you're making smoothies, protein shakes, or frozen drinks, its stainless steel ice saber blades can handle it all. The 40-ounce glass jar offers durability and easy cleanup, as it's dishwasher safe alongside the lid and blades. Design-wise, the Hamilton Beach Blender keeps things simple with a sleek black finish and compact build. The spout is a standout feature, allowing mess-free pouring directly into your glass. The control panel is straightforward, featuring 12 versatile blending functions managed by just 5 buttons, making it beginner-friendly yet flexible for experienced users. In terms of performance, this blender excels at crushing ice and handling tough ingredients. But it may struggle slightly with larger quantities due to its smaller jar capacity. For under $40, this is a solid budget option for those who want reliable blending performance without breaking the bank. Pros include its durable glass jar, versatile functionality, and easy cleanup. Cons are its slightly limited capacity and lower power compared to premium models, ideal for small households or occasional users. At number 4, we have the NutriBullet blender, an ultra-compact option that offers surprising versatility for its price point. With a 250-watt motor base and all-in-one functionality, this blender chops, mixes, blends, whips, and grinds. It comes with an impressive 11-piece set, including multiple cup sizes, resealable lids, and even a recipe book to jumpstart your blending journey. The cups are made from high-impact plastic, ensuring durability for everyday use. The NutriBullet stands out for its portability and lightweight design, making it a top pick for those with limited counter space or who prefer single-serve blending. Its push-button controls are simple to use, and cleanup is a breeze since all components are dishwasher safe. However, the 250-watt motor is less powerful than others on this list, meaning it's best suited for softer ingredients rather than heavy-duty tasks like ice crushing. For just $36.99, the NutriBullet is a steal for anyone looking for a budget-friendly and compact blender. Its pros include versatility, portability, and affordability, while its cons are limited power and smaller capacity. This is the ideal blender for dorm rooms, small kitchens, or anyone who enjoys quick, single-serve smoothies and snacks. Coming in at number 3 is the NutriFit Compact Personal Blender. This portable powerhouse boasts a 700-watt motor with pulse technology, making it effective for blending smoothies, shakes, and even frozen ingredients. It includes 2 16-ounce single-serve cups with spout lids, perfect for on-the-go convenience. Whether you're crushing ice or extracting nutrients from whole fruits and veggies, the NutriFit delivers smooth, consistent results. Its compact design is perfect for small kitchens or busy lifestyles, easily fitting on any countertop. The intuitive push-to-blend controls are easy to use, and the dishwasher-safe components make cleaning hassle-free. The included 50-recipe guide adds extra value for those who want inspiration for their creations. However, while its portability is a plus, the small capacity may not suit larger households or those looking to blend multiple servings. Priced at $59.99, the NutriFit strikes a great balance between affordability and performance. It's perfect for individuals or couples who want a quick and efficient blending solution. Pros include its compact design, powerful motor, and portability, while cons are its smaller blending capacity and lack of versatility compared to full-size models. If you're always on the go, this blender is for you. At number 2, we have the Charter Professional Blender, a top-tier contender with advanced features. Its standout feature is the 1200-watt motor, capable of crushing frozen fruits and ice with ease. The blender offers 5 intelligent programs, including extract, smoothie, and ice crush, allowing you to create perfectly blended drinks with minimal effort. The 6-leaf stainless steel blade and durable 52-ounce glass jar ensure smooth textures and long-term reliability. This blender also comes with a 24-ounce to-go cup, making it versatile for both large servings and single-serve convenience. The self-cleaning mode is a game-changer, letting you clean the jar hands-free with just some warm, soapy water. The design is sleek and sturdy, although it's slightly heavier than other options due to the glass jar. Priced at $69.99, the Charter Blender offers excellent value for its premium features and build quality. Pros include its powerful motor, smart programs, and durable components, while cons are its heavier build and slightly higher price point. This blender is ideal for families or serious smoothie enthusiasts who want top-notch performance without stepping into the premium price range. Finally, at number 1, we have the Ninja Professional Blender 1000 Watt. This full-size countertop blender is the epitome of power and performance, featuring a 1000-watt motor and total crushing technology. Its 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for large batches, whether you're making smoothies, frozen drinks, or sauces for the whole family. The blades are designed to pulverize ice, fruits, and vegetables in seconds, delivering unbeatable results every time. The Ninja Professional Blender has a sleek black and gray design that looks great in any kitchen. The pitcher is BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, simplifying cleanup after blending. The included recipe guide provides inspiration, making it easy to explore new drink and dish options. However, its larger size means it takes up more counter space, and its higher price may be a drawback for budget-conscious buyers. At $99.99, this blender offers professional-grade performance at a reasonable price. Pros include its powerful motor, large capacity, and excellent ice-crushing ability, while cons are its bigger footprint and higher price compared to smaller models. This blender is ideal for families, entertainers, or anyone who wants the best blending performance in their kitchen. If you're serious about smoothies, this is the one for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.